How's in my China's? It's been a long time. I'ma show you how to cook some tasty shit. Krishna, Krishna, Hari, Hari. Mama's making curry, so don't you worry, there's enough for everybody. On a more serious note, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really simple and delicious, cheap vegan curry, and I promise you, you're going to love it, just as much as I do. Let's talk about the list of ingredients that you need. You only need 4 things, well actually 5 things if you include the rice or the pasta that you're going to make with it. But I'm not including that, I'm just going to show you guys how to make the sauce, okay? So first things first, you're going to need a carton, okay? Most people have a carton of cigarettes, but I get myself a carton of coconut milk, 200 milliliters. That's how we roll. That's the base of your sauce. Next thing you're going to need is some premium quality soy sauce. Choose your favorite brand. Here locally in Alsace, we've got the Montazi, high quality stuff. Time to have another drink. What would life be without a little bit of sweetness? So you're going to need some sugar, preferably white. And just because you prefer white sugar doesn't make you a racist. Then you're going to need a curry paste. This is a Massaman curry. The ring sting factor is 2 out of 10. You can get a hotter curry if you like to have a bit more ring sting in the morning when you go to the toilet. But I like to have less, so I go for a less powerful curry like the Massaman. Get yourself a curry paste that is vegan and is low in oil if you can. Step 1. Add the carton of coconut milk. Got a pro tip for you guys. If you want to get every last drop of the coconut milk, add a tablespoon of water to the carton, shake it up, just pinch the top there when you open it, and then add the rest to the sauce. That's how you get every last drop. Step 2. Add about a tablespoon of curry paste to your mix. Step 3. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. In you go. Dump that load. Step 4. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Step 5. We're just going to break up this curry paste a little bit, and we've got the sauce here on a medium heat, so I'm just going to wait for that to reach the boil and the curry paste will dissolve as it does that. Right, so the sauce is boiling here now, so once it's boiling you just want to stir it for 1 or 2 minutes or until the curry paste has completely dissolved. Alright, the curry is complete and you can see that curry looks rich. It looks rich, like Bill Gates is going to get off his corona vaccine. Unless we stop that motherfucker. Ciao for now.